Hello and welcome. This is Explain That, and that's how to change the language on Facebook Android. So let's get started. First and foremost, you should be logged in already on your Facebook app. So just open it up and be logged in. Tap on your profile icon at the top right, and then tap on the cog settings just right below it. In here, you can just scroll down until you see the language one. And in here, you can change the language that you would prefer in each of the options provided as well. Just tap on each of one of them and change it based to your preferences if you don't want the English default size of the Facebook. So just pick and choose. This might take a while since there's a lot of included languages by Facebook itself. So just change it for each one of them. Just tap on your needed language, and after that, it should technically be applied already, but if not, just restart the app and then go back again. And that's about it. This is Explain That, and that's how to change the language on Facebook Android.
If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends by notifying that bell as well. As always, stay tuned for more tech tutorials on Explain That.